Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Gather all the edges of the bag according to the length specified in the pattern template. Next, prepare a thin, non-stretch ribbon to secure the gathered edges in place.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun. As she puts
I measure the length of the ribbon by placing it along each edge of the bag on the pattern template. This helps me determine exactly how much to gather the fabric. It's a quick and simple solution.
we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from
Secure the ribbon at the beginning and end. This will show you how much to gather the bag. Next, sew the ribbon onto the gathered edge to reinforce it and prevent the gathers from unraveling.
the sky. Just two hearts running wild, never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon.
Repeat this step for all the remaining edges that need to be gathered.
We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky. Just two hearts.
Prepare all the main bag pattern pieces that require gathering in this way. Sew the prepared pattern pieces together.
Sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky.
Now, join the facing pieces together and then attach them to the bag.
It was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky. Just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be.
Trim away any excess fabric from the seam allowances to make it easier to turn the facing smoothly.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Now, I'll join the facing pieces together as shown in the tutorial. Then, I'll sew the top part of the handle, overlapping about 1 centimeter beyond the facing seam. This will neatly hide the join and tuck the facing inside the bag. In this step, I'll join the handle pieces together. First, I tack them in place with a short seam, then turn everything inside out and top stitch around the entire handle loop. We're almost done. It's time to sew the lining. Stitch the sides of the lining together, leaving an opening in the bottom seam so you can turn the bag right side out later. This is the perfect moment to add optional magnetic snaps. Mark the center of the facing on both sides and install the snaps. Next, attach the outer bottom seam of the lining to the same seam of the bag. This will prevent the lining from pulling out. Finally, close the opening in the lining and you're done. You've just created your own unique and original bag.